Listen, anytime a wig tells me I can ditch the hot comb and the blow dryer, I'm all ears, baby. I'm a side eye, but I'm all ears.
His body, baby. His body, baby. Oh,
okay, first and foremost, we gon' just put a little bit more glissy, you know what I'm saying, on the soup coolers. Big shout out to my daughter's Christmas gift. Ow. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, Meekah Lynne, and here we are with another quick wig review. This is going to be our first show and tell. Do I see a new friend to the channel? So big thank you to iSee Hair for sending out the unit. They were kind enough to send a sample of the cap construction for their units. So this is basically what you are going to get with your wig. You are going to get maximum lace size with minimal knots. It is going to match your ear shape. Movable combs. This mimics your forehead contour, making it a very much more comfortable fit. It does have some stretch to it, okay? So if you are part of the big noggin crew, baby, they got something for you. Bars.
His body, baby. His body, baby. Oh, oh, na na. Bum 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 boy. Oh, na na. Oh, na na. Bum 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 boy. Oh, na na. Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. So pass up me on the family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up me on surely. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah, nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I have a pretty fine waist. Nah, nah. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Nah. Ha, she feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha, she's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Back at Chukum, back at Guinea. What's up for me, pay a Wukweni, Chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the blow for a bad man. Baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the blow for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah. Ginger me, how they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl then. Mr. DJ, play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then. And we getting high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing. She hold a bad man. She want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we grinding. Make you ginger me. How they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me. Hey, baby, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man.
Listen, anytime a wig tells me I can ditch the hot comb and the blow dryer, I'm all ears, baby. I'm a side eye, but I'm all ears. Baby. So a big thank you to iSee Hair for sending out this unit. But first and foremost, with this cap construction, OMG. This is one of the most comfortable caps that I have experienced on this channel. They do have these small combs in the ear tabs, is great. However, They fell out, sis. So during the install, I felt one drop to the floor, couldn't find it, and then the next one followed suit. So it did come out, and that is only because they don't really have these like secured in the wig. So I definitely appreciate the combs by the ear tab. Speaking of the ear tabs, this does have a contour fit, so if you do have to stretch it out, it's not going to be like hovering over your ears, you know what I'm saying? You can be gone with the Win Fabulous, baby, in all your glory. So that is definitely a plus. Did not do anything to this hairline. Get into it, baby. The knots are beautifully bleached on this unit. I did go in with the knot eraser to just give it a more scalp-like appearance. That is linked in my Amazon storefront. And of course, this does come in a preset middle part, which is okay. You know what I'm saying? She doing a little sighing, but you know me and my nice little carefree side parts. So we can definitely see if we can do that with this unit. I did go ahead and put just a couple of layers in here, so you are going to see like a couple of short pieces here and there, but that's what I definitely want for me. I don't think I'm going to be able to cover up that parting space, but this just kind of gives you an idea of what you're dealing with. I could probably even go deeper if I wanted to, actually. Let me see if I can pull some of this over. And that's still going to give you, ooh, okay, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm always here for the nice deep side part, baby. So this is definitely going to give you like just a nice carefree, easy look to maneuver with this unit. She is definitely full. You will not have to go crazy on the density. I will list the density somewhere in this video, but I think once you tease this out, she's going to fluff up beautifully, and she did for me. I don't want to tussle this unit too much because I do have to take some pictures for this beauty, but we can definitely see if we can maybe pin this. What do you guys think? Can I pin it? I got some bobby pins here, so we can try to, like, you know, just do a nice pinned up look, which can be hard. Something like that. Okay. I'm feeling all cutesy pootsy, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so this is definitely giving me the bee's knees. I am definitely here for this unit. So big thank you to iSee Hair for this unit. If you are interested in checking out the information for this beauty, I will have a link in the description box down below. It will take you directly to this unit as well as their website. Definitely hit that subscribe button before you go. Ring the bell, drop a comment down below. Most importantly, share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Take care of yourself, ladies. Keep yourself first. Most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.
Carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll.